GTA, let's get real about real estate. Maya here with your LSV Daily Market Snap, your pulse on what's truly moving. Today, our spotlight shines bright on Kleinburg. What's the real 30-day market story unfolding in this incredibly vibrant and sought-after community? For single-family homes, we've seen a dip in sold listings, and properties are taking a little longer to find their match. The average price? It's adjusted to $2,220,000. But a fascinating contrast emerges with condos and condo towns. Sold listings are actually increasing, though days on market are also slightly up. The average price? $1,250,000. Feeling the unique pulse of Kleinburg? Connect with your trusted real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com right now.